Okay, we start with our project title. Our project title is UKM Go. Next, continue with introduction. Actually, UKM Go is an improvised version application from Basketer that provides vehicle rental services and shuttle bus service. The differences between Basketer and UKM Go are UKM Go provides cashless payment, bus booking services, and self-transportation services compared to Basketer. There are various types of vehicles that we can rent in UKM Go, such as cars, motorcycles, and bicycles. In order to satisfy the user's need, UKM Go combines the features that have been implemented in Basketer into the UKM Go itself. Next, for the problems part. There are some problems that we have found after trying the previous application, which is Basketer. One of the problems is Basketer does not support cashless payment, public transport does not have flexible destination, and the schedule and location of the bus is inaccurate. The objectives of the projects, firstly, we want to increase the efficiency of the payment process where we implement the cashless payment inside the UKM Go. Next, we want to provide more transportation alternatives for the users where we also provide other transportation such as cars, motorcycles, and bicycles. And lastly, for the objectives of the project, we want to provide an accurate schedule and location of the buses inside the UKM Go.
After we identify all the problems on Basketer application, we then make a project proposal to develop an app interface which is UKM Go, and it is an improved version of Basketer application. We propose the new functions, services, and improvement based on the problem statements that were identified previously, and list out all the possible tasks the user can do. Also, we can call user task analysis for our target user. We also did a SWOT analysis for our proposed app. Next, we develop a low-fidelity prototype based on the functions and tasks from the analysis we did previously, such as booking event bus, renting vehicle, view shuttle bus schedule and location, and many more. After that, we did heuristic analysis or heuristic evaluation to evaluate and ensure that our application meet all the heuristics aspects. We also did a task briefing which is for each task available in our low-fidelity prototype. User feedback is important for us to get feedback and response from our target user, so we showed our low-fidelity prototype to our friends and asked for their feedbacks for improvement on our application. And then, we developed the medium-fidelity prototype with improvement on certain interfaces based on the user feedback previously. Then, we held a remote interview with our target user and created a scenario for them to see and give response and feedback again for further improvement on the app prototype. We changed some of the interfaces accordingly based on our interview for user satisfaction. And finally, we test the usability of our app prototype from the questionnaire given to our target user and evaluate the results.
As a conclusion, UKM Go is an application that could be developed as it has received quite positive feedback from the user. Besides, during this project, we have learned that it is not easy to develop an application as it requires various steps before launching the final product to ensure its suitability for the user. At the same time, it also requires continuous effort and, most importantly, a passion towards creating it.
Alright, there are many challenges that we face during this project. One of it will be about the discussion session due to COVID. So we can only conduct the discussion via online platforms such as MS Teams and also Google Meet. Hence, we won't be really having a really good communication compared to physical discussions. And besides that, my time management was also an issue as all of us had our own different projects and assignments and all to work on at the same time. So it's kind of hard for us to actually agree on one period of time to sit down and work together in this project. Despite the challenges we face, we are still able to come up with solutions to overcome it. To tackle the communication issues, we actually set up a group chat in WhatsApp and also a group in MS Team to actually note down the points we discuss on and send it inside the group, so we won't really lose track of it. And at the same time, we also can use the group to actually ask questions about if there's anything not clear regarding any parts of the projects. And for the time management issue, we also created a consistent schedule beforehand, such as every Saturday morning 10 a.m. will be the period we do our discussion for this project. So additionally, we also divided the tasks so that everyone will have their equal fair share of work to prevent any of the group members overworking.